Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning. It's about 63 degrees. I'm in Henderson, Nevada right now in a community called Inspirada where I live. I'll be riding my bike to the Las Vegas sign, which is about 13 miles. This is an inexpensive electric bike I bought on Amazon. It does pedal assist and full throttle. I don't really use full throttle. I just do pedal assist sometimes. This trail will go down to Volunteer Boulevard, which is where the Henderson Executive Airport is. This part is like the older, mostly the older section of Inspirada. I mean, these down here are a little newer. But as we get to the top where Volunteer is, that's where Inspirada started and then worked its way down, I believe. Okay, we made it to Volunteer. This is a pretty busy road during the day. The strip straight ahead, so we're south of the strip, kind of like southeast. Straight ahead, try to zoom in if it's too small. There's a building there, that's the M Casino. This road we're turning on to was called Henderson Executive or Executive Airport Road, something like that, but they changed it to Raiders Way when the Raiders came to Las Vegas and they built their training facility over here. Here's a Las Vegas Raiders training facility. There's the training facility. So this building here on the right is Levi Strauss. There are bike lanes on a lot of the roads, but the way the drivers drive here, I'm gonna try to stay over as far as I can. So this on the right, this is Liberty High School. This is where my son goes, he's a senior. I think there's around 3,000 kids in the school. I believe the senior class is about 800, give or take. And there you see the South Point Casino. I'll stop on the corner there, get a better view of it. As you see, there's a South Point Casino. This is looking south down Las Vegas Boulevard. The M is down there. We're heading down towards the strip on Las Vegas Boulevard in the airport. Still really early as time goes for Sunday morning driving, but there's Las Vegas police. Oh, I forgot to mention, when we passed Liberty High School, that's when we went into Las Vegas. Right down that road, for the way the boundary is. Liberty High School's in Henderson. Once you go by it, you're in Las Vegas. Then to the west of it, you're in Las Vegas too. To the right, back there are the South Premium Las Vegas Premium Outlets, South. Not far from the strip, as you can see. See Mandalay Bay. This is gonna get a little hairy up here. It's gonna be the entrance to the 15 near the airport. So that's Town Square. A lot of shops, kind of upper end more so. Well, there's a Saks off 5th, Container Store, Whole Foods, movie theater back there as well, escape room, really good escape room. If you want to go to the escape room when you're in Las Vegas, Escapology at Town Square. They have like 8 different ones. I never realized there were railroad tracks here. That's weird, huh? I just never paid attention that there were railroad tracks there before. Oh, there's a plane. All right, I'll stop here. So I gotta get over here, which I should be able to do right here, I think. I'm just gonna hop over this here, make it easier for myself. Private jet. All right. You see these people lined up. There really is no official line, just to let you know. There's no official photographer, so if somebody wants to take your picture, they'll probably ask you for money. Ah, I could have crossed right there. Oh well. See, these people are smart. They're just going over there. Did not use any electric on the way down here. Just all pedal power. And you see there's an Elvis here. You get a picture taken with Elvis. Made it to the Las Vegas sign with about 11.63 miles. A little over an hour according to Map My Ride. I'll put that up here. Also remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below.